Hello guys, what's up? So today we are going to make a soundbar, and in this soundbar I am going to use 5 speakers. So our first step will be to connect the speakers in parallel. So a parallel connection is a connection in which all the positive ends will be connected on the one side, which is positive side, and all the negative ends will be connected on the other side, which is the negative side. And we will get two sides, one is positive and one is negative. So I've did connections over here, in which I've used green wire for the positive wiring and the black wire for the negative wiring, and I've connected all the positive ends on one side and all the negative ends on other side, as you can see over here. So here I am going to use 4 modules. The first one is the Bluetooth module, which is this one. The second one is the amplifier module, which will amplify the voice. I am going to use 2 of them. And the third module is the charging module, which is going to be used for charging of the batteries. I will give buy links of the modules in the description box, so you can go and purchase those modules. For body making, I am going to use this PVC pipe, so I will cut this PVC pipe and make a sheet of it. So here for testing I am using this 18607 lithium ion batteries, and the real speaker I have used that phone batteries which is present in home, and this is the body which I have made. And this is how it looks. No more finishing piece. So I've done all the connections, and after that it is looking like that. So connection diagram I will put the link in description, and I will also display the diagram at the end of this video. And now as you can see, I've replaced the batteries. So here I've assembled all the speakers inside the soundbar body. And here I have also added 2 LED lights in this, as you can see. The first LED is this and second is this. I'm going to use this fabric, and I will wrap this fabric around the speaker. Hey guys, so today we are going to test our speaker. So first we will turn the speaker on by the switch present over here. So now it's on, so we will go to the Bluetooth settings and turn the Bluetooth on.
Connected.
And now we have connected our speakers. So now we will play this music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
So hey guys, I've made a website for you. So this is my website. Its ID is krishitthecreativestar.eziro.com. You can search and you can come on this page, and this is how it looks. This is the home screen, and you can check all this. So here I have given some information, and here you can find all my circuit diagrams and all. So I will explain you this diagram. So our negative wire will come here, and one wire we will remove for the charging module, and one wire we will go and attach to the ground wire, and through the ground wire of amplifier, both amplifier module we have to attach that, and to a Bluetooth module. Now we will take one wire from the charging module output, and we will connect it towards the Bluetooth module and both the amplifier modules. Now we will take this is the right cable of the Bluetooth module, and we will take that and connect to the both the amplifier modules in the right hand side. Now we will take the ground cable of both the modules, and we will connect them together, and then we will connect it to the Bluetooth module. Now we will take the left cable of this Bluetooth module, and we will connect it to both the amplifier modules. So this is the parallel connection of the speaker, all the negative points at one side, and we have connected it to the negative side of the amplifier module, and all the positive connections of the speaker one side, and we have connected it to the positive part of the module, amplifier module. So we will take positive and we will connect both positive right over here, and we will take negative and connect both negatives over here. So now we will see how the battery is connected. So the positive part of the battery is right over here in the battery plus point, and the negative part of the battery is right here to the negative part of the battery. So this is all the circuit connection. This is very easy connection, and thanks for watching. So you can visit our website. I will open this page again and show you. So you have to write krishitthecreativestar.eziro.com, and we will search. So now it will open the page. So as you can see, our page is right here. So thanks for watching.